Hello everyone, I'm currently in Georgia. I visited this country 3 years ago, so this is my second time here. Today we are exploring the Kakheti region. We joined a tour from Tbilisi, and in this video I'll show you everything we experienced along the way. I'll also share some tips and recommendations for anyone planning to visit this beautiful region. Let's get started and explore Kakheti together. Our day tour started at 9 am departing from Tbilisi by shuttle. The first stop on our journey was Mzisguli, located about 75 kilometers from the city. It's almost 1 hour by bus to get there. Tour started a wine tasting experience. We learned about local winemaking, experienced the country's rich wine culture, and enjoyed the warm hospitality. It was the introduction to our journey. Inside of the place, you can see the churchkela on the wall. It's a famous Georgian sweet made from walnuts coated in thick grape juice. It's a delicious traditional snack and symbol of Georgian culture. We traveled about 35 kilometers for the second stop. This is the monastery of Saint Nino at Bodbe, one of the most important religious sites in Georgia. It's dedicated to Saint Nino, who brought Christianity to Georgia in the 4th century. The monastery is best known as the burial place of Saint Nino, one of the most revered figures in Georgian history and Christianity. The main church of the complex is the Cathedral of Saint George, where visitors can see the tomb of Saint Nino and admire beautiful religious artwork. The bell tower is one of the specific landmarks of the monastery and offers a classic example of Georgian religious architecture. The monastery is surrounded by peaceful gardens and offers stunning views of the Alazani Valley and the Caucasus Mountains. Also, this place can get a bit crowded depending on the season. Bodbe is not only a place of worship but also a symbol of Georgia's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. After roughly 3 kilometers journey that takes about 10 minutes, we arrive at our third stop, Sighnaghi. We stopped at the spot you see on the screen to take some photos. Before starting our tour of Sighnaghi, we came to Balcony restaurant for lunch. This restaurant serves traditional Georgian cuisine. As you can see, it offers a beautiful view of the town. Guests can choose to sit either indoors or outdoors. This is the view you can enjoy from the restaurant entrance. Let's talk about Georgian dishes. This is chikmeruli. Chikmeruli is a traditional Georgian dish made of roasted chicken cooked in a rich garlic and milk sauce. It's known for its creamy texture and bold garlic flavor. You can choose also homemade lemonade. This is khachapuri. Khachapuri is one of the most famous Georgian dishes. It's a traditional bread filled with cheese with many regional variations. Sighnaghi Wall is a historic defensive wall located in Sighnaghi. Built in the 18th century, it stretches around the town and surrounding hills, featuring 23 watchtowers and several gates. It's one of the largest fortification structures in Georgia and offers beautiful panoramic views. We also took a walk along the Sighnaghi Wall with our tour group. During the walk, we enjoyed beautiful views. Here is the second place for wine tasting. We learned again about local winemaking and experienced the country's rich wine culture. Let's see how his voice inside. It sounds good. Here we see the statue of Solomon Dodashvili, a prominent Georgian philosopher, writer, and educator from the 19th century. He played an important role in shaping Georgian intellectual life. Today, this statue stands as his contribution to Georgian literature and philosophy. April 9 Heroes Memorial is a monument dedicated to the victims of the 1989 tragedy in Georgia. Located in Sighnaghi, the memorial serves as a symbol of national remembrance and unity. Sighnaghi Municipality Administration is a local government office. It plays an important role in preserving the town's cultural heritage and supporting local residents. Sighnaghi Viewpoint is one of the best spots to enjoy panoramic views. It offers breathtaking scenery and is a popular stop for visitors exploring the historic town of Sighnaghi. You can take beautiful photos here and make unforgettable memories. The tour ended at 6 p.m. The last 45 minutes were free time, giving us a chance to explore on our own. It was easy to take another quick walk around the city. Well, it is the last part of this video. Today we traveled around the Kakheti. We came here with tour. This tour making in a daily tour from Tbilisi. If you ask me, you should come here with tour. It's hard to come here like by rent a car or something. It's just my opinion. We came here in morning, then we back on evening. Generally, when we think about this trip, it was not bad actually. It's about the mountain views is good, and we also see some different places in Kakheti region. So we just fun today. I just want to make a video about here. I hope that you like it, and then see you soon in different countries. Bye bye.